Hi guys, welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. This is Keshav Malpani, and today we're going to discuss the strategy and the plan for the last 30 days. Okay, because CLAT 2021 date is announced and a lot of you are in a state of panic and don't understand as to how to prepare in these 30 days. So I'm going to make it really easy for you and I'm going to give you a plan which you can follow for the 30 days for your best performance. Okay. And what I've done is, so a lot of students have been sending me a lot of emails regarding this as to what to do, what's going to happen, different kind of questions. So the frequently asked questions and the most asked questions, I'm going to answer them today to make you understand as to what you can do in these 30 days to make your performance better and to be able to clear CLAT. So guys, the first question that everybody is asking me is CLAT subject to further postponement? Okay, can further postponements happen? To that, my answer is that last year CLAT was postponed around 5 to 6 times. And this year it has been postponed about 2 to 3 times if I'm not wrong. Okay, not more than that. So there is a possibility that it may still get postponed because we don't know how COVID is going to react in the next 20 days, how third wave is going to come and when it is going to come. But there are certain reports wherein, the task force in Maharashtra has said that it may reach Maharashtra, the third wave may reach Maharashtra in 2 to 4 weeks. So if that happens, then obviously it is going to come to the entire country and CLAT might get delayed again. But my suggestion at this point in time is for all of you to prepare as per July 23rd. Prepare as per July 23rd because if you are really sure on that particular date and once your everything that you wanted to cover is completed by that date, and even if it is postponed later, then we can actually improve upon our performance and that will be an added bonus to us if it is postponed. So it makes sense कि अभी हम 23rd July के हिसाब से करें. So, and another question that a lot of you are asking me is how to prepare so much in such less time because 30 दिन बचे हैं हमारे पास, 30 days बचे हैं. And how do we prepare so much? And I understand it's a very legitimate question. So guys, what you need to do in the last time is you need to get a little more organized and structured in the sense that you will need daily plans. Okay, what is a daily plan is when you wake up in the morning, write down as to what you are going to study in the entire day, what all tests are you going to do because that will become important and stick to that plan. ओके मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में भी बताया था कि प्लान ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जो 2 घंटे में खत्म हो जाए और ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए जो 20 घंटे तक चलते रहे. ठीक है, इट शुड बी अ रीजनेबल प्लान जो आप रोज कर सको. अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेक दैट प्लान, सो उसके लिए देयर इज अनदर सोल्यूशन. जनरली वी स्लीप फॉर 6 hours, सो हमारे पास 18 hours का डे रहता है. इन दोज 18 hours यू कैन डिवाइड इट इनटू 3 parts, 6, 6 and 6 hours. मेक प्लान्स ओनली फॉर दोज 6 hours और दिन में 3 बार प्लान बना लो. ठीक है, 6 घंटे का प्लान करना थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाता है, तो वी कैन मेक दो 6 hours का प्लान एंड स्टिक टू दैट प्लान बिकॉज इट बिकम्स इजियर फॉर अस. ओके, इंक्लूड एवरीथिंग, योर ब्रेक्स, योर स्टडी टाइम, योर लेजर टाइम, एवरीथिंग इन दोज प्लान्स एंड मेक श्योर कि उसको आप ठीक से फॉलो कर लो, उसको प्रॉपरली फॉलो कर लो बिकॉज 18 hours नहीं पढ़ना है हमको उसमें ब्रेक्स वगैरह सब कुछ इंक्लूड करने एंड दैट विल बिकम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Everything and every day is going to be a challenge. Okay, take every question as a challenge. Start timing yourself for every questions because that will become very crucial. ठीक है, तो रोज अगर ऐसे plans को follow करते रहोगे, at the end of 30 days you will realize that your efficiency and your speed has improved a lot because speed is again very very important, right? A lot of you are asking कि how many mock tests should we do? So guys, my general advice is to not do a mock test every single day. You can do 4 mock tests every 7 days. I mean 4 mock tests every week. And why do I say this is because mock test is slightly exhausting and it takes a lot of time to analyze them also. So you cannot waste 5 hours in a day every single day. I mean, it's not a wastage, but again, you cannot spend those 5 hours a day every single day because you have a lot to practice. So my suggestion is you can do 4 tests every 7 days. And if you have a particular subject where you're not very comfortable or you say that this particular subject is weak, then you can practice those subjects every single day. You can do sectional tests in those. Okay, it could be maths, could be English, could be legal reasoning, could be any subject. So you can particularly study them and practice them on a daily basis to improve your efficiency and your speed. That will definitely help you. Another question that a lot of you have is how to start from scratch and complete the entire course in 1 month. So guys, उसके लिए the only technique that I can suggest you is to do as many tests as possible because अगर आपने अभी start भी नहीं करा है, so it makes sense कि आपकी speed और efficiency बढ़े and that will happen only when you do a lot of tests. ठीक है, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स हम समझ सकते हैं, उसके बाद में टेस्ट करना बहुत ज़्यादा क्रूशियल हो जाता है इन एन एग्जाम लाइक क्लैट वेयर वी हैव टू डू 120 मिनट्स में 150 क्वेश्चंस. सो इट विल बिकम वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू डू सेक्शनल टेस्ट. as well as full mock tests, okay, and analyze your score, try to improve each and every time. ये मैंने in one of the sessions बोला था, which a lot of you picked up, that अगर even if you're getting say 40 or 45 in a mock test and you increase 1.5 mark every single day, जस्ट इमेजिन कि आप कहाँ पहुंच जाओगे, ठीक है. तो आपको रोज पहाड़ नहीं चढ़ना, रोज एक सीढ़ी का स्टेप चढ़ना है, बट वो रोज चढ़ना है, ठीक है. अगर रोज चढ़ोगे तो यू विल रीच टू द हाइट दैट यू वांट टू, ठीक है. सो दिस विल बिकम ईजियर, बट हम एक दिन में नहीं सोच सकते ना कि हम एकदम ऊपर चले जाएं. सो इसलिए प्लीज ट्राई एंड स्टिक टू योर डेली प्लान्स एंड दैट विल बी वेरी क्रूशियल. अ लॉट ऑफ यू हैव दिस डाउट एज वेल कि सर करंट अफेयर्स और लीगल अफेयर्स को कैसे करें. So guys, for current affairs and legal affairs, I am taking classes on Unacademy these days. You can follow my classes. I have attached the link in the description box. ठीक है, उसके लिए you can attend. These are free classes. You can attend them for free. You can also attempt a lot of free tests on Unacademy by using my code Keshav Live. Okay, these are free tests. You can unlock them by using my code Keshav Live, and you can do them for free and practice for yourself if you do not have a lot of tests to do. Other than that, for current affairs, I have given an entire list of very important topics on my Telegram channels, which is Malpani Unacademy and 12 Minutes to CLAT. If you've not followed those Telegram channel, you can definitely visit the description box and follow them now. I've given the links there, क्योंकि वहाँ पर आपको सारे topics भी मिल जाएंगे and it will give you a good direction as to where should you go. Okay, so that is it about this session from my side. Guys, please start believing in yourselves that you can definitely do it. ठीक है, सारे होशियार बच्चे क्लियर नहीं करते. It's average people like us who clear this exam every year. And this year also, if you believe in yourself, you are definitely going to nail it. All the best, guys. Do well. If there is any question, please mention in the comment box. I'll be very, very happy to answer. If you like our sessions, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us. Keep liking us and keep following us like this. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.